Hello, listeners, and welcome back to our channel MT Storyteller. So, I hope that all of you are doing great and all of you are eager to learn something new. That's why today I am here with our new story. The name of the story is The Bunny Rabbit. This is a very interesting and moralful story. So before moving towards our story, if you like my voice or like this story, so please do subscribe to our channel. So now let's move towards it. Once upon a time, there lived a cute white bunny rabbit in a forest. The rabbit had a lot of friends and he was very proud of the friendship that he had formed with the animals. He always thought that if he came face to face with any problem, his friends would always be there to help him out. This is why he was good to everyone and helped the others whatever he could. But one day, everything changed in the life of the bunny rabbit. One day, when the rabbit was roaming in the forest, he heard the sound of wild dogs. The bunny got really scared as he had to save himself. If the dogs found where he was, they would eat him up. So the bunny rabbit rushed to his friends for help. First, he went to his very good friend, the deer. The rabbit said, "My friend, I am in big trouble. There are some wild dogs in the forest and they will kill me if they find out where I am. You have such big antlers. Please chase them away so that they don't find me." The deer said, "I can chase them away for sure, but you see, I am very busy at the moment, so unfortunately, I will not be able to help you. Why don't you go and ask for the bear for help?" The rabbit was disappointed to see that the deer wouldn't help him out because still he had to save his own life. So he went to the bear and asked for his help. He was certain that the bear was his true friend and he would definitely help, but no such thing happened. The bear said, "I would have helped you out, dear rabbit, but I am very tired and I need some food. Why don't you go and ask your monkey friend for help?" The rabbit was disappointed once again, but still he went to the monkey. But the monkey didn't help him either. One by one, he went to the elephant, the goat, and the other animals for help, but no one was ready to help him. He was very sad that none of his friends were there for him, but then he realized that he had to save himself, and for that, he had to find a solution on his own. With that realization, the rabbit made a plan to get away from the wild dogs. He went and hid under a bush. He lay completely still there and didn't make any noise. The wild dogs couldn't find him anywhere and soon left the forest. This way, the rabbit was able to save his life. In all this trouble, the rabbit understood that he was better off relying on himself than on others. The end. At last, the moral of the story is that when trouble comes, it is always better to rely on your own than ask others for help. I hope that all of you like this story. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel. Thanks for listening.